Hi everybody, this is George again with the next video of the Blues in G series. If you are new to this channel, make sure to check out the other videos too. In videos 7, 8 and 11 I introduced the spicy additional notes on the B string. 9th, 13th and sharp 9th. Of course, same idea works up here too. G7 9th, C7 13th, D minor 7, A minor 7 9th. And for the E7 I'd suggest a C note. C is the flat 13th of E7. Sounds great, doesn't it? Let me give you an example. Please support my channel by writing comments and clicking the thumbs up button. And thanks for subscribing to it.